Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have the project open and a backup or commit. Now start the removal. First, open Search Ctrl+Shift+F and enable Rejects mode. This lets you target the letter U only where it prefixes string literals. Then restrict the search scope to the folder or file type you want, for example *pi. Once done, run a quick preview so you can see matches. This ensures you make surgical edits rather than sweeping, unsafe replacements that break code or data. Now perform the actual replacement with care. In Rejects mode, use the pattern \WU and replace with \1 to remove only the U prefix before string delimiters. Preview the matches, then apply Replace All only after sampling results. After replacements, run your project formatter like Black or AutoPep 8 so string quoting and spacing remain consistent. Make sure to run unit tests or a type check to catch latent problems. If you're working in a Git repo, stage and review diffs before committing. Finish by validating changes, run tests, type checks, and a quick manual review of affected files. Once confident, commit in a single clear commit or multiple small commits so you can revert if needed. If something breaks, use git checkout or your backup to revert the commit, then refine the rejects or narrow the search scope and rerun. One key troubleshooting tip: if you removed U in non-string contexts, refine the pattern to require quotes, or use an ASD-aware tool to safely rewrite only string literals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.